Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I share my recipe to this simple but delicious local sauce recipe that pairs very well with yam, be it boiled yam, roasted yam, etc. My name is Oge and you're welcome to my kitchen. Let's get started. I always start by preparing my yam. I'll proceed to cut, peel and drop the yam into the bowl of water. I love to do this so as to prevent it from changing color. I'm cutting the yam into these round thick shapes. Feel free to cut yours into whatever sizes or shapes you prefer. Have you seen a tuber of yam that contains two different colors? I don't mean the one that changes color from white to orange or brown. I mean a tuber of yam that has both white and orange color. If you've not seen it, then you've seen it today. I'm not really interested in the color. I just want the yam to be sweet. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate my new subscribers and to every one of you that clicked on this video to watch. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much. It means a lot to me. And if you're yet to subscribe, please do well to hit on the subscribe button to be a part of this amazing YouTube family. Subscription is absolutely free and you get value for your time. So please smash the subscribe button. Turn on notification bell to be notified of new videos. Like my videos, share and leave me comments in the comment section. Thank you. I added a little salt because I love to season my yam with some salt, and I went in with enough water to cook the yam until soft. I'll introduce you to some of the ingredients needed to prepare the sauce and you find out the rest as the video progresses. I have some scotch bonnet pepper. I have a lot because I love it spicy. Next up is my onions. I have some chopped onions and you need a lot of onions for this recipe. When I say a lot of onions, I mean lots and lots of onions. This is utazi. This is a bitter vegetable. This is totally optional, but I love adding this to the sauce because it helps tone down the sweetness of the sauce and it's also healthy. Last but not the least is this Ugba or Ugba. It's known as soybean in English. This is very necessary when making this local sauce. Now that you're familiar with the ingredients, let's get into the main business of today. Into my pan, I've gone in with some palm oil. I'll let that heat up for about 2 minutes. You don't have to bleach the palm oil, just allow it to heat up. Once it heats up, I'll go in with my chopped onions. I'll fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes until it becomes fragrant and it looks really nice. Try not to fry the onions until it is very dry. We don't want it looking that way. We want it to be a bit juicy. Always fry on low to medium heats. If you're using a lesser quantity of onions, I think frying for 2 minutes will do. I'm frying it for about 3 minutes because I have a lot here. After about 3 minutes, I'll go in with my roughly blended peppers. Once added, I'll stir that in until everything is properly combined and I'll let it fry for an additional 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes, I'll go in with my seasoning. Now, I love to keep it simple whenever I'm seasoning any local sauce. For today's recipe, I'll be going in with just seasoning cubes and salt. Keep it simple. Adding a lot of seasoning is going to ruin the taste of this goodness, so you don't have to do that. Just keep it very simple. If you don't like salt, or just use your favorite seasoning, but try to keep it simple so you don't alter the original taste of this sauce. This sauce is already tasty on its own without even adding seasoning. So after adding my seasoning cubes and salt, I stir that in before going in with my Ugba. This is a must add to this recipe. This gives it this very rich texture and appearance. So always ensure that you add Ugba or Ugba to your local sauce, to this particular sauce. But if you don't enjoy Ugba or Ugba, I hope you do enjoy it, then you can skip, but I highly recommend you add it. Once added, I stir that in and I let it fry for about a minute before going in with my leaf. Like, this sauce is ready. This sauce is super simple to make. It's so easy. This was ready in less than 8 minutes, less than 5 minutes thereabouts. So this sauce is very easy to make, very delicious and very healthy. Once you've added vegetable, you don't have to cook for a long time. I just let it simmer for a minute and then I turned off the cooker. So our yummy sauce is ready. Let's go check on the yam to see if it's ready as well. But before I do that, if you're yet to give this video a thumbs up, please take a moment and hit on the like button. That will signal to YouTube to share out the video. Please do well to like the button. share it out to your family and friends, and leave me your comments in the comments section. Thank you. This is what I call soft boiled yam. This pairs very well with this delicious sauce. I'll drain out the water from the yam and serve. We've come to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like the video, share. Let me know what you think about this sauce recipe in the comments section. Have you tried it? Will you be trying it out? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you all for stopping by. I would love to see you all on my next one. Bye.